guys, and welcome to another episode. Because I really don't like this blue wall, I decided to add wall molding and also move the TV to it. So the first thing that I decided to do was clear up the wall by removing the silicone that was by the skirting, which was holding cabling. Thereafter, I added a foam sheet to protect the tiles from getting any paint while I'm painting. Thereafter, the next step is to pull out the paint and to paint the wall with a primer. That's the first coat that I'm going to be painting. Remember, safety first. That's why a wall hazmat mask, because paint is toxic and it does have a toxic smell. Once you're done painting the primer onto the wall, then you're going to actually paint the wall with the white paint, which is the second layer. What I then did is I decided to sketch a design of the wall molding and how it's going to look and how it's going to be arranged on the wall. Now comes making the actual molding. The first step is to prime the molding. Thereafter, I'm going to be cutting the molding according to the measurements that I designed and I drew. Then I'm going to glue the corners together to form a square or a rectangular shape depending on the actual design. I'm going to be using masking tape to ensure that the corners stay together while they dry. Using a 90-degree ruler ensures that your corners are absolutely 90 degrees and that they're angled correctly. out excess wood so that the switch can fit nice and snug. Because the glue hardened, I had to put some pressure using my foot just to get the glue to come out. And I'm going to be spreading that all over the back of each molding rectangle so that I'm able to glue it to the walls. So this glue dries very quickly. You want to use a glue that will dry pretty quick so you don't have to hold the molding rectangles while they dry. Before gluing the molding on the wall, I made sure that I measured where each rectangle is supposed to be glued onto the wall so that when I place it on the wall, it's 100% accurate. I made sure that I spaced the molding rectangles 15 centimeters apart. Guys, I would love it if you'd please help me get to 1,000 subscribers by subscribing and also hit that notification bell. Thank you. Because I'm putting up the wall molding by myself, I decided to come up with a mechanism so that each and every corner could be glued exactly to the wall without lifting or any spaces. So this is what I came up with. I used a bunch of lip tops to create heaviness to ensure that the stick holds to the wall without slipping on the floor. Since I only have 2 pairs of hands, so I decided to create extra hands for myself. After the wall molding had dried up and I'd put up all the molding triangles, I decided to paint over all of the molding in white using the same paint that I used on the walls so that the color would be exactly the same and it would match. It also works on wood. So this is how it looks when it's finished. I forgot to record while I was actually painting the wall molding, but I'm still yet to finish the TV wall by adding more things. That'll be another DIY. Thanks guys for watching. Do subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay up to date. See you soon!